Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Prime Video application on iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Amazon Prime Video on your iPhone, first, make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, go and tap open App Store. In the search box, type in Prime Video and you'll be able to see the application displayed right on the next page. Tap on the download button to begin the downloading process for the Amazon Prime Video app. The Amazon Prime Video is a streaming service that offers a wide variety of TV shows, movies, and original content. Once you have the application downloaded, you can easily create an account and sign up and start your subscription to watch your favorite show anytime, anywhere. Once the application is downloaded, you'll be able to see the open button. Give it a tap to launch Open Prime Video app on your iPhone. That is how you can easily download the Amazon Prime Video mobile application on your iPhone quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.